facility managers evaluate epoxy flake flooring, they're usually asking one thing: will this actually hold up to the working environment? Is it slippery? Epoxy flake floors are designed for safety. The texture and top coat can be adjusted for offices, locker rooms, kitchens, and wet areas, giving traction without making cleaning difficult. How durable is it compared to tile or VCT? Because the floor is seamless and impact resistant, it won't crack at grout lines, chip under carts, or wear paths into the surface. That is why many facilities replace failing tile and vinyl with resinous systems. Is it hygienic and easy to maintain? The non-porous surface does not absorb moisture or bacteria and eliminates grout lines. Most facilities clean it with a mop or auto scrubber. No waxing required. How long does installation take? Most areas return to service in a few days and can be phased to avoid shutdowns.